Protecting our planet requires careful use of our resources. For example, rare earths. They are essential for new technological innovations, but their extraction is often not environmentally friendly. So we end up harming the planet we wanted to protect. What the future? Membrane mining. Rare earths. You heard of them, right? These metals are needed for pretty much everything, as part of new technologies like smartphones, wind turbines, and in the future, more and more for electric vehicles. And here's the secret, they're not that rare. In fact, they can be found everywhere. Unfortunately, most of the time in such small quantities that extraction is unprofitable and, through conventional mining, not particularly environmentally friendly. Nevertheless, in 2020, more than 240,000 tons were mined worldwide. And this is where we jump in. The Audi Environmental Foundation has teamed up with researchers at TU Bergakademie Freiberg to move mountains sustainably. Our green innovation in mining, membrane mining. The goal is to dissolve these so-called high-tech elements in rocks without destroying nature by hundreds of large drillings and blasts. For this, we need 2 mini-tunnels, microorganisms, and surgical precision. Admittedly, microorganisms don't have a good reputation lately, but there are good ones out there, and they are exactly what we're looking for, directly at the extraction site. We then cultivate them in the lab and polarize them like a magnet to the metal we want to mine, for example, germanium. Like a good surgeon, we don't need large entry points, but operate in a minimally invasive manner. In that way, the solution moves through ore vein via our hand-wide entry channels and small cracks, and then water slide. On their way down, our little good microorganisms wash and pull countless ions of germanium and other interesting elements out of the ore and take them with them. At the bottom, we catch them all. Separate the wheat from the chaff with membrane technology and send our little helpers on to the next ride. And again, and again, and again. The dissolved germanium is processed and ready for transport. And the most important thing, the mountain looks the same as before. So far, this holistic approach to membrane mining only exists as a prototype at our production site near Freiberg, where indium and germanium are extracted. But that is about to change, because there is a worldwide need for the sustainable extraction of high-tech elements. After all, our goal is to protect our planet. Vorsprung in environmental protection, the Audi Environmental Foundation.